So now let's take a look at our WTI crude oil. So if you've not subscribed, actually click on the subscribe button, like, share, also comment if you find this video helpful. So we will look at our WTI from our weekly time frame, by the way. So this is actually our crude oil. So we had this huge movement upward. I think starting from April 2020, we've actually been going bullish on our WTI crude oil. So now of this were actually an impulse move. We had a correction was made, an impulse move. Most of the movement, our price was above the 10 period moving average. So I mean, when price is above the 10 period moving average, we should actually look for a way to go long on this WTI crude oil. Now let's see it this way. There was an impulse movement that was made here, and a correction was a pullback level. And once we had this breakout of this level, we saw a little bit of a pullback to test this level here. So I also highlighted here as a key level. Once we had this correction here, then we broke out of it and the price came to test this level. It's even more visible on the 4-hour time frame. So I highlighted here. So this is actually a key level why I highlighted here. Now we can see that after we had this correction, we had a bullish move which came to this our highs. We saw our price dropped, and our price also rallied up against that level highs, which I also highlighted. So I am taking here as our resistance level, while the down is now our support level. So basically, when we see our price comes to our lows, our support level, we tend to see it rise up to our resistance level, and from the resistance level, we tend to see it drop to our support level. Currently, our price has now dropped to our support level, and it's actually, give us an impulse move. A correction was made, another impulse move. Let's see it this way. Impulse move down, a little bit of a correction, another impulse move, and we see that our price have not been able to break this low. Only if the price has been able to break our support level, then we can consider that, okay, let us start going bullish. But the price has not been able to break below it. So we now add this huge movement upward. So since then, on this our weekly time frame, we are kind of like ranging within this area. So another reason why I also highlighted it. So here as the support, down as the support level, here as its resistance level. So we would want to trade what we see and not what we think. So what we are currently saying is that the WTI crude oil is actually ranging within this area, and we would want to actually range with it. That is it. We would want to range with this our WTI crude oil. Currently, we are at the support level, and we are able to go long on this WTI straight to this our resistance level here. Now let's go down to the daily time frame. So daily time frame, full trend, it was actually a bearish move. We all can see this drop, an impulse move, a correction, impulse move, correction was actually rolling till we hit this lows. We saw the price came to this lows, right? Support level. We had a correction. Price dropped to this lows again, our support level. It fails to break it, then price rallies up to this highs again, and we saw another drop again, and guess what again, price has already failed to break it. Exactly why I predicted that we are actually ranging, and we would want to range with our WTI crude oil. One thing is that range with it. If it is ranging, then we are to actually range with it. Now it has gotten to our supports. Now what we are considering or looking forward to is to actually take the trade upward on our WTI. Let's possibly see if the price will hit $93. Currently, we trading at $86. So let's see if you can see a huge movement upward for the week to $93. That is for the week. So now let's see it this way. So what we are able to go long on our WTI crude oil. So, and of recent, there was a bullish move we saw here, a huge impulse movement upward, and this is a correction here. So what are we expecting here? So we actually got the correction on the 6th here. This was on the 6th. So on the 7th, we are expecting to open and close bullish again. So basically, this was an impulse move, a correction was made. We are now expecting another impulse movement on the WTI crude. So basically on the 7th, we should actually open and close bullish. Now to actually enter this trade, we will look at it from the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame. Now this is the 4-hour time frame. This our 4-hour time frame give us an impulse move. A correction was made. Another impulse move was pushed, right, was given. We add another correction here, so we take this as a low. So basically our market is about to close for the day. So once the market opens tomorrow, then we should actually see another impulse movement that will actually break this ice. We also see this ice broke above this previous ice here, so we are expecting this ice we are expecting now should actually break above this ice here. So basically what I said is that our price next day, which is on the 7th, should actually open and close bullish. Now let's see what our 1-hour time frame says. 1-hour time frame says an impulse move, a correction here, another impulse movement. Then we actually add this drop, which I will take it. So let's see if in case this might be an head and shoulder pattern, then we should see an impulse movement, but I believe it will actually rally up to break this ice. So exactly what I am waiting for. I am waiting for the price to rally up to break 90s. Let's see if we can possibly hit 92 or 93 on our WTI crude oil. So that is the analysis for the day.